Say you're with Juliet. Yep, that apple is a Juliet, and she's going to teach you how to make apple cobbler, or apple crumble, better said. Try to look for a peeler. If you don't find a peeler, use a knife. Be very gentle, soft, and yeah, ya sabes way. Also, you want to make sure that you're setting your oven to 375. Okay, we're right almost there. Got it? Okay, let me focus. Okay, can't focus it, but 375. I'm slicing the apples like so, making them in very different variations of cuts. Be very precise with your knife, mate. You don't want to chop a finger. Honestly, I think I have 3 different types of apples in here. I got the Granny Smith. I got the Pink Lady. What else? I got the Gala. Sorry, I'm looking at the Chimplan. I'm looking at the Sweet Mother. Yeah. In the pan, covers with sugar, and I put a little bit of agave, but it's whatever you feel. I eyeball it all the time, so yeah. And then you cover it, let it there be for 7 to 10 minutes, and then you put that in one of these pans, and then after you put the crumble on top, and I'll show you how to do that soon. Yeah, babe, and look, my babe making tortillas. You wish you got a man that made you tortillas, girl. Literally, guys, I'm handballing it. Okay, so literally, I'm putting enough for this pan, small pan. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 is good. Of my hands are pretty tiny. So I'm using vegan butter, and you're gonna put like half butter of this bowl. Like it would be half the butter. So literally, all I put for the crumble was butter and flour mixed with oatmeal, and yeah, you want that butter melted. Okay. I put a little bit of coconut sugar in this, just a little, so the crumble could taste a little bit sweet and crumbly. Now let's see how our apples are doing. Good, they look good. Okay. Look at that tortilla go. Okay. Look how juicy they look. Okay. Now we're gonna put that on the pan. Vamonos. I'm gonna lay down so. Yeah, so this is really hard to do with one hand while filming. Yeah, now we got it done. See, magic. One hand. Okay, yeah, but you want to plan it now. And that's my favorite part, the crumble. Yes, so good. Okay, now you're gonna put that on there. Now another one hand. You gotta spread that around. See how it spreads? And then you'll put it in the oven. Now have your babe open the oven. And then put it in the oven. You gotta put it in there. Oh, I should have put it in middle rack. But we're gonna put it in middle rack. Yeah, that goes in like 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah. Now to cut the crumble, have your babe cut the crumble. Babe, may you cut the crumble? I want to have your consent. Is that a yes? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay. You don't have to cut it. You don't have to make everything. You just cut what you want. Could get more than that.
This much?
As much as you want, babe.
Oh, this is for me?
Yes.
That's fine. That's a lot.
Okay, now I want to cut my piece.
Okay.
historia de que te quiero y te adoro. Okay. Sing a little bit of Cuckoo. I think that's it. There it is. Your apple crumble.